Okay. Okay. We are in the middle of, the Hurricane Beryl tropical storm, whatever the hell it's called. And our pond is clogged right now. And before it destroys my road, because that's what it's gonna do, I have to unclog this quickly. Oh, look at that. Look at the water level. Stupid high. And this is the part where it overflows. And this is where I'm worried about it destroying, is right here. So I'm gonna just try and make quick work of this. I've already got tools out here. And then we need to head back inside quickly because the wind just died down. Yeah, you see that? That's all dirt, just 2 inches below this water. I have got to get that cleared out. I've got my tools right here. I'm trying one hand this baby so you guys can see, because I did not grab a tripod. But this tool is amazing. Oh geez. There's lots of junk in here, man. But I need to get this thing speeding up. Fuck. It's really clogged right here. And I can make the water come down so much faster if I can unclog this. Looks like only one of them is... Oh goodness, man. Goodness. Yeah, this one's flowing. This one's flowing real nice. It's got some branches in there. Holy moly, dude. I'm trying to do this real quick because the wind has been kind of wild, but we had a little lapse in the wind right now, and we cannot afford to have that road collapse on us. Come on. We can't repair that right now. Okay, that one's good. I gotta get this one. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm kind of just loosening up. This is a big difference already. I'm loosening up what's in there and it's carrying it down. Okay, that's so much better. Oh my goodness. I'm super glad that I came down here and did this. This thing needs every help it can get right now, because we've still got another 2.5 hours or so according to radar, and we're kind of in, I'll show on the screen right now what radar looks like for us. I'll do a little screen recording. I truly don't even think this is going to keep up fully open, but if I can at least mitigate some of the damage, that'll be a win. Okay, I'm pretty sure these are at max right now. We got lots of stuff growing around here too. Oh yeah. Yeah, these are maxed out. Also, I cleared all the trees around this area so we can easily access the exit port, whatever it's called. But goodness, man. We're in our 3rd month We're in about our 3rd month living out here, and I love the fuck out of it. But it's a lot of work to keep it in good condition. We're gonna head back inside. It hasn't gotten too windy. I'm soaked already. And oh my God, it's starting to pour. Oh, look at this. I am soaked. It's starting to pour even harder. And I need to get back inside before the wind picks back up. So we've got maybe, gosh, I mean, it comes here, it's gonna start. I've kind of leveled this a bit. I don't know if you guys can see this on camera. We got about 6 inches of rain before it starts flooding. And hopefully I've bought us some extra time unclogging over there. But we need to head back in. And I don't want to have a tree fall on top of me. Oh shoot. And it's honestly pretty scary out here. Close this back up in case the cows come over here. Oh, I know it probably doesn't look as crazy on camera, but you know, gotta do what we gotta do to keep our property in good shape, man. Oh, I'm really glad I did that. All right, I'm super stoked. Subscribe. Real quick, guys, I know I haven't uploaded in a couple weeks. I've got a ton of videos. One is like a series of me and the boys hunting for said beaver. We still have not caught it a month later. We've got like 5 videos for that series, and I've done a bunch of other videos too, an exploring video, and oh wow. It's crazy out there. Anyway, I just have a lot of videos and I just need to edit them and upload them. So just wanted to tell you guys that, and I've gotten a lot of comments and people reaching out asking if I'm going to be making more videos, and the answer is absolutely yes. I'm definitely making more videos and they'll be out real soon. Appreciate you guys.